exploring profitable side hustle niches. What are the trends that are happening now in your country? In a lot of countries, there's an aging population. So that's definitely a trend. How can you benefit from that? Well, if people are older, they don't move as well, they don't go out as much, so they probably want things delivered more. They may have stopped driving. So can you find some niches that would work, for that? So Uber Eats, Uber, those kind of things come to mind immediately to me. I don't know, I could probably think of some more, but yeah, those are definitely ones to think about. If you haven't subscribed to ChatGPT, I would spend the current $20 per month to do so, because it's fantastic for research, and I would get it researching for you. Either that or hire an assistant, but I think ChatGPT would probably be cheaper. And have it research some trends, what's happening in certain industries, and how can that help you. So I would do research on different industries and their growth trajectories. Are they growing or not? And then try to rise up with them. Again, you need to analyze consumer behavior. What are their needs? How are things changing? I've just outlined aging populations in many countries. So again, what do they need? And how can you help? How can you fill that need? Recently, I read about a couple that had retired but went back to work, and they needed a job quickly. So they signed up for some some apps for deliveries. And they went from making a few $100s here and there to $100,000 a year. And they're just delivering various things. So can you do something like that? And can you scale up? Maybe get people working for you, That's what I've done with my guest house business. That's what I did with my English school chain. You make money by hiring people, once you're up to speed, get them working for you. You can also use Google or other search engines, YouTube, to search for trending keywords. So you don't have to rely just on ChatGPT. Also, friends and family are an excellent resource. So, use whatever you can to research and find good niches for your side hustle. About narrowing your focus, are there niches within niches that you could fulfill? This is just a basic example, but Uber started, and then they thought, well, why not start another service, Uber Eats? Could you find some untapped thing like that, that something that's already needed, but something within that you could work on? So again, what are the gaps within some of these side hustles that aren't being met? And can you meet them somehow?